You work hard, you hustle for your family, save for your future, and try to make every dollar count. So here's what you need to know about the brand new One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed into law on July 4, 2025. It's the biggest shakeup to taxes in years, and it's packed with real benefits for working families like yours. First, let's start with what's staying the same, because hey, good news is worth repeating. Lower tax rates? They're now permanent, that's right. The brackets you've gotten used to, 10%, 12%, 22%, all the way up, aren't going anywhere. And that bigger standard deduction, locked in. For 2025, married couples can knock $31,500 off their taxable income. Single folks, it's $15,750. And every year, it'll keep up with inflation. But here's where things get really interesting. The OBBBA is rolling out new deductions and credits, especially if you work overtime, earn tips, raise kids, or take care of elders. Picture this. Up to $25,000 of your overtime pay can now be deducted from your income, and those cash tips you report, deductible up to $25,000 too. If you're 65 or older, there's a new $6,000 deduction, and if you and your spouse both qualify, that doubles. Thinking about a new car? Car loan interest is back, up to $10,000 a year for personal vehicles bought after 2024. Raising kids just got a bit easier too. The child tax credit is up to $2,200 per child, and the child care credit has been expanded with more generous income limits. Got a newborn on the way? Kids born between 2025 and 2028 get a $1,000 federal kickstart for new Trump accounts, a long-term, tax-free savings tool. And if you're adopting, the credit is now refundable. Now, for what's going away? Green energy credits are fading out after this year. The state and local tax deduction cap is back, though temporarily raised to $40,000. And some miscellaneous deductions, like tax prep and union dues, are gone for good. Education and health savings got some love too. 529 plans are now even more flexible. Student loan forgiveness is permanently tax-free if it's due to death or disability. And you can use an HSA even with bronze or catastrophic health plans. For high earners, some phase-outs and caps are back, but the estate tax exemption is now a hefty $15 million. Here's the bottom line. The OBBBA unlocks new planning opportunities, but you need to know where you stand. If you work overtime, have kids, plan to buy a car, or want to save for retirement, now's the time to get your ducks in a row. At Perez, Goree & Associates, we don't just stack tax strategies. We build tax plans that match your values, your vision, and your purpose. Tax planning isn't just about paying less, it's about making your money work for your mission. So click the link in the description. Book a free 15-minute consultation and let's make sure the OBBBA works for you.